Hello everyone, this is HiTech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to get Coffin dancing filter in Instagram. So for this you need to search for a particular profile. So this is a creator, he is a creator of this filter. So you need to open his profile, and after that you need to click on this emoji icon. Here you can see, and once you scroll down on the top you can see Coffin dancing filter. So to use this filter you need to click on this one, and here if you want to save this filter then you can click on this icon. Here you can see this filter will be saved to your camera roll and in your Instagram stories filter section. But if you want to try this filter then you can click on try it. As you can see this icon, you can click on this try it and you can use this filter. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.